Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw some potatoes, so let's get started. To draw these potatoes, we're going to first start by drawing the girl potato. So I'm going to start by right here and I'm just going to draw a bow first as slant. So it's just going to be a circle and the two loops. So if you're using a pencil, you can go ahead and draw the potato shape first and then the bow. But since I don't want to erase, I'm going to start with the bow first, and then I'm going to start to draw the potato. So I'm going to start by right here. I'm going to go to the top, and this is the part where you just have fun with it. Don't even try, you don't have to make exactly the same shape I'm making. It's whatever you want. That's the awesome thing about potatoes, right? So, and it doesn't have to be perfect at all. So that's my first shape for the girl, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to give her some eyes. I'm going to start by right here towards the top and draw some happy eyes. So it's just going to be a curve. So I hope this silly and funny drawing really inspires you to draw this cute little family. So then I'm going to come in the center right here underneath and draw a smile. It's going to be open mouth, and then cap it off. And then little tongue, and then you can add some cheeks when you color it. So there, got the girl one in, pretty easy, right? So now for the baby, so I'm going to come in center really close to her and draw another shape. So once again, whatever you want, there's no right or wrong here. So this one's just going to be smaller and come back in. Okay, so then this little guy here, I'm going to give him a little sprout. So on the top right here, I'm just going to add a little leaf and another one. There. And then let's come in here and bring him to life. So once again, some happy eyes. Curve. And then a little curve at the top of the eye. Anchor it, and a big smile. And for him, well, let's do the hands a little bit later. Let's come up with the big boy potato right here. So right next to it, once again, I'm just gonna say about right here, I'm just gonna go up. That's what's so nice about this drawing. Just have fun with it. Do whatever shape or however wrinkly you want to make your potato. Okay, so there, I got the big potato in. Now let's bring him to life. So about right here, I'm just going to add some eyes. Draw so cute eyes, of course. So I'm going to come over here, another circle, and let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And same thing over here. So thank you for all your support for all my food drawings over the years. So make sure to check out my food playlist. Draw so cute food playlist if you guys love these kind of drawings. Okay, so I got the eyes in. Let's come up here once again with a curve on top of each eye to anchor it, and a nice smile right in the center. Okay, so then let's add some hands. So I'm going to come back here and I'm just going to add a little curve that comes out and thicken the ends. So then her other hand would be about right here, and this one I'm just going to have it come behind. And so same thing over here for the boy potato. So they're just kind of holding on to this little baby. And then his other hand is going to be about right here. So curve it and thicken the end. And let's see here. For the little baby potato, I'm going to have it curve right here. So hands are together, making that little heart shape with the hands. There. Okay, and so then let's come about right here and just add some curves. So in the ground, on the ground, all the way across. And if you wanted to, you could do this with your pen, or you could do it when you're drawing. I mean, when you're coloring. Just add some of those potato eyes right here. So you can just do a curve. It's basically just a curve. And then come in here in the center right here, just draw a little dot. So you can add a couple here and there, just to give it some texture. But you can also do this when you're coloring, so it's not so dark. It's up to you. Okay, so maybe give her one here and another one here. And let's see, that's pretty much it. Pretty cute, right? I hope you think so. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.